Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss remaining part of chapter 70. 17.8. Question first. In this exercise, we will discuss about a mode. Okay. First, question first. Find mode. Numbers are given 2, 5, 7, 5, 3, 1, 5, 8, 7, and 5. Okay. Calculate mode. Mode means the value of observation. The value of observation having the maximum frequency. The value of observation having the maximum frequency is called a mode. Okay, means number written maximum time is called mode. Okay, in simple way maximum time of number written is called mode. Here 5 is written 1 2 3 and 4 times, then mode of this question is a 5. Answer. question second similar Question second similarly. Okay. First question, first part, second part as it is. Now, question number third. If table is given, then calculate mode. Okay. Now, if table is given, number of members 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Number of families 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 10, 7, 3, 8, 5. Okay. Number of members and number of families are given. Means x and f are given. X and f are given. X means number of families and frequency. X means member of members and f means frequency families. Okay. Now in this question, here maximum frequency and maximum frequency is a 10. Maximum frequency is a 10. Therefore, in front of maximum frequency number is called a mode. It means here mode is a 6. Here mode is a 6. Why? Because maximum frequency and in front of maximum frequency number written called a mode. Okay. Next, if class interval given and frequency given, then calculate mode by this identity. Mode equal L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiply h. Okay, mode equal L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Okay, here h means difference of class size. L means same lower limit of mode. F1 frequency of model class. F0 frequency of the class preceding the model class, means previous frequency of F1. F2 frequency of the succeeding model class. Now let question based on this identity. Question number 6, 7, 8, 9 all are same. Question 6 to 9 all are same. We discuss question number 7. Question number 7 is given marks obtained by class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Okay. Now number of students means frequency is given 0 to 10 frequency 5, 10 to 20 frequency 12, 20 to 30 frequency is 14, 30 to 40 frequency is 10, 40 to 50 frequency is 8. 50 to 60 frequency is 6. Okay, now calculate mode. Okay, calculate mode. First, class interval given, then mention class interval as it is. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Mention as it is. Now, frequency is given for 0 to 10, frequency mention as it is. Okay, frequency mention as it is. Next step, frequency mention as it is, and here first we check out maximum frequency. Maximum frequency means here maximum frequency is given 14. Okay, in front of 14 all values, all numbers, all observation are closed in a box. Maximum number frequency is 14. In front of 14 all numbers and observation closed in a box. Okay, next step, maximum frequency, and maximum frequency is f1. Maximum frequency is f1. Okay, in counting 1, 0 and 2. Okay, now maximum frequency is f1. Preceding term of maximum frequency is f0 and succeeding term of f1 is f2. Maximum frequency is f1, preceding term is f0 and succeeding term is f2. Okay, in front of maximum frequency 20 to 30 class interval, so lower limit is 20, upper limit is 30, and lower limit is 20. Okay, now answer in between 20 to 30. Check out. From identity we know that mode equal L plus f1 minus f0 divided by twice f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiplied by h. Okay, L means lower limit is 20, lower limit is 20, plus as it is f1, value of f1, maximum frequency, value of f1 is 14, minus as it is f0, value of f0 is 12, preceding term of maximum frequency 12, divided by 2, mention 2 as it is, multiply by f1, so f1 is 14, to multiply 14, minus as it is f0 means 12, mention 12, minus f2 is 10, multiply h means difference of class interval 0 to 10, difference is 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Okay, difference of all class interval is same and 10, h equal 10. Okay, now solve this. 20 as it is plus as it is, 14 minus 12, 2 multiply 10 as it is, 2 into 14 28, 12 and 10 22, 28 minus 22 remaining 6. Okay, now solve out. 20 as it is, 2 into 20, 2 into 10 20, 20 divided by 6, it means 3.33, approx 3.33. Okay, now 20 plus 3.33, 20 plus 3.33 means 23.33, approximate mode is 23.33. in between 20 to 30. Mode is a 23.33 answer. Okay, let's see again. Numbers are given, x and f, class interval and f frequency given, class interval and frequency given. Okay, first step, firstly we seen maximum frequency. Okay, maximum frequency. Here maximum frequency is a 14. In front of 14, all values are closed in a box. Maximum frequency is f1 and preceding term is a f0 and succeeding term is a f2. Okay, f1 preceding f0 succeeding f2. Lower limit L20, H class difference 10, identity L plus F1 minus F0, twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiply H. Okay, 20 solve out, then we get mode of this question is a 23.33 approx answer. Okay, next question, try yourself. If you have any doubt in any question, then comment your question in comment box. Okay, next. Chapter 18, probability means a possibility. Okay, possibility. Now discuss about probability. Possibility, identity of probability, it means a probability of an event, means a favorable outcomes of event or favorable condition of event divided by total possible outcome of event and total possible condition of event. Okay, it means probability, possibility means event happen or not happen. Okay, now discuss about probability. In probability, firstly we discuss some definitions. Okay, some definition means randomly experiment. Randomly experiment means experiment in which all possible outcomes, okay, are happen. All possible outcomes are happen means in coin, in dice, in coin. First example, coin. Okay, in coin we know total two conditions, head or tail, total condition 2, and probability of getting head means coin tossed one time, then probability of getting head comes only one time, so total probability 2 and favorable 1 by 2. Now limit of probability means maximum probability is 1 and minimum probability is 0. Maximum probability equal 1, minimum probability equal 0. It means limit of probability, P means probability, E means event, probability of an event equal 0, greater than 0, equal 1 or less than 1. It means limit of probability equal 0, greater than 0, equal 1 or less than 1. In between 0 and 1. Okay, 0 also possible and 1 also possible. Now next main identity, probability of an event and probability of not an event. Here bar represent not an event. Okay, simple. E means event, E bar means not an event. Okay, not an event. Probability of an event plus not a probability of an event equal 1. Okay, now in coin, two condition, head or tail. In dice, number mention 1 to 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now discuss some question based on probability. First question, in throwing a dice, find the probability of getting a number more than 4. Okay, in a dice, we throwing a dice. In a dice, we know number mentioned on dice 1 to 6. Find the probability getting a number more than 4. Getting a number more than 4. More than 4 means only two numbers. Okay, now in throwing a dice, possible outcomes. Possible outcomes means 1 2 3 4 5 means 6 condition. Possible outcomes means 6 condition, 6 numbers. Okay, let to obtain the number more than 4. Obtain getting more than 4 is 5 and 6. Only more than 4, only two numbers, 5 and 6. 5 and 6, mention 5 and 6. Okay, now favorable condition, or so favorable cases of getting a number more than 4 is 2. So according to identity, probability of an event, favorable outcomes of event upon total event. Okay, so favorable outcomes means favorable condition is 2, only 4 and 5 greater than more na, so favorable condition 2, and total condition 6. So 2 divided by 6, 2 cancel out by 6, 1 by 3 is answer. Okay, probability equal 1 by 3. First question. Next, second question, a coin is tossed 2 times. Find the probability of getting head in every time. Head in every time. Okay, a coin tossed twice. A coin tossed twice or 2 times. 2 times means first we tossed a coin, we getting head. Second time we getting same coin tossed, we getting head. Okay, possible outcomes of a coin tossed up 2 times. Possible outcomes of a coin tossed up twice. Okay, means first time head, second time also head. First time head, second time tail. Okay, first time tail, second time head. First time tail, second time also tail. Okay, now possible condition or possible outcomes are 4. Possible outcomes are 4. Coin tossed up twice, then total possible outcomes are 4. We find probability of getting head in every time. Head in every time means each time we getting head. Each time we getting head. It means first time head and second time also we getting head. Okay, now here condition, both time head is only one condition possible. Only one condition. Only this condition na, first time head, second time head. First time head, second time tail, not possible. First time tail, second time head, not possible. First time tail, second time tail, not possible. Okay, getting head in every time. Getting head in every time. For getting head in every time, only one possible condition. So favorable outcomes is 1. It means probability of an event is possible outcomes upon total outcomes. Possible outcome is 1 and total is 4. 1 2 3 4, total 4. So probability of getting head in every time 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is a answer. Okay, Thanks.